Unlocking English. Mastering Demonstrative Adjectives. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're going to focus on an essential grammar component: demonstrative adjectives. We'll learn about their usage and function, and most importantly, practice rewriting sentences using them. Ready to elevate your English skills? Let's dive right in. Before we start practicing, let's quickly recap. Demonstrative adjectives are those special words that modify nouns or pronouns to indicate specific things. The four key demonstrative adjectives in English are this, that, these, and those. Remember, this and these refer to things that are close in distance or time, while that and those refer to things further away. It's crucial to understand that using demonstrative adjectives correctly often depends on context. The same noun can be paired with a different demonstrative adjective based on the situation or the speaker's perspective. We'll consider this more in our practice exercises. Time to dive into some practice. Let's work on rewriting sentences with demonstrative adjectives. I'll give you a sentence, and your task will be to rewrite it using a different demonstrative adjective without changing the meaning. For example, if I give you the sentence, "Do you like these shoes?" You might rewrite it as, "Do you like this pair?" Here, these was changed to this by turning shoes into the singular noun, pair. Let's try a few more. 1. That car is really fast. Rewritten, this car is really fast. 2. I can't find my keys. Can I use yours? Rewritten, I can't find these keys. Can I use those? Ready for a challenge? Let's rewrite sentences with more than one demonstrative adjective. 1. Those dogs are bigger than these. Rewritten, that breed is bigger than this one. 2. This pizza is more delicious than that one. Rewritten, these slices are more delicious than those. Remember, the key is to make sure the sentence's overall meaning stays the same. And that wraps up our session on demonstrative adjectives. By now, you should have a better understanding of how to use this, that, these, and those, and be able to rewrite sentences using these adjectives. Keep practicing with your own sentences, and soon you'll be a master of demonstrative adjectives. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'm excited to see your progress. Until next time, keep learning, and happy studying.